Hello everyone, my name is Azadin. I'm from Connex Information Technologies. I'm a business development manager and product manager of Motor Data in Sri Lanka and Mauritius. Debbie, how about you?
I'm Divyanan Krishnamohan and I'm looking after the pre-sales and post-sales of Motor Data in Sri Lanka and Maldives.
Today's IT infrastructure is very dynamic. It's connected with multiple vendors, multiple tools and multiple teams. For a proactive IT team needs a single tool to gather data from different geographies to get end-to-end visibility of the IT operation and service in a single view to reduce mean time to resolutions, increase IT administrator productivity, and also to reduce overall TCO, which is very important. So here comes Motor Data to the picture. So Motor Data has three products, if I may say. One is Motor Data IIP, Intelligent Infrastructure Platform, and Motor Data DAP, which focuses on log management, and also the ITS and ITIL part. Tibi, if you can further elaborate quickly about each product.
Yes, Azhar. So as you said, so Motor Data is one of the products which mostly cover every aspect that should be implemented in an organization. It can be an enterprise organization or a simple organization. So for any kind of organizations, this kind of product is very needed. So to begin with, so Motor Data's first product portfolio is IIP, so which is Intelligence Infrastructure Platform. So normally what happens inside IIP is it contains the network monitoring system NMS and also the network configuration manager. So using NMS, so every organization can monitor their servers, operating systems, database, applications performance. So performance in the sense you can monitor your CPU usage, memory usage, the process that have been running on the servers, so bandwidth utilized by every service, bandwidth utilized in the interfaces of the servers. So everything can be monitored using this IIP platform. And also another important thing that we have to notice here is the history that it maintains.
Okay.
So whenever there is an outages occurring in the servers, at what time it has occurred, so what was the previous history, so everything can be tracked in a history level. So the interface provides you the full level of history so that you can go through as a forensics analysis when it comes to when you guys need to do an investigation. So another important part of this Motor Data product portfolio is the DAP. So log management and flow management is provided through the DAP. So they have the alerting system as well. So whenever there is a log like related to malware or log related to a malicious attack, so you can have an alerting system as well. So you are able to integrate all logs from your servers, databases, applications. So every kind of logs can be integrated with this system. And when it comes to the flow traffic, we support NetFlow version 5, version 9, and even IP fix is supported by the Motor Data platform. So the third product portfolio, which is an important product portfolio when it comes to every organization. So ITIL compliance is something which is needed by each organization. So ticketing system is provided by Motor Data as well. So they call that as the Motor Data Service Ops product. So along with the ITSM solution, they provide the asset management, knowledge-based management, incidents management, and everything. So they have the additional features as well. Okay. So you can have your ticketing system implemented in your organization for all the issues that occur in your organization, and you can share the knowledge through the knowledge-based management with your employees, and likewise you can utilize asset management to maintain your assets inside your organization. So these three are the main product portfolios of Moradata, which is very important for every aspect of the organization.
Alright, great. So we have got a small idea of about what is Moradata and what we do, right, in terms of the products and solutions that we do. Okay, can we talk about the target segment? Who want this Moradata? Okay, I know the fact that banking, they have compliance requirements. Okay, they have regulation to adopt certain technologies in their infrastructure. For example, log management. For example, network monitoring system, which is very important. So likewise, do we have a target segment who can adopt this Moradata into their IT infrastructure?
Exactly, Azhar. So when you consider about Sri Lankan industries, so let's just consider the industries like financial industries. So there are many compliances that are being implied by the central bank on the financial organizations. So when all these compliances are implied, so there should be a solution to cater all these compliances and to provide the reporting for the audit purposes. It can be internal audit or external audit. There should be a way to provide the reports. So these kind of solutions really helpful when it comes to the compliance purposes. So as I said, not only the log management by the IIP of Moradata, NCM is another important aspect, Network Configuration Manager.
Okay.
So you have to back up your configurations of layer to layer 3 devices as well. So you have to store it in a centralized location, and you have to perform the incremental backup, which is also an important compliance when it comes to the enterprise organizations. Can be a financial organization or a telco environment or any other large enterprise organization. So this kind of compliances can be fulfilled through this solution. And also, as you say, log management is an important part in every organization now.
Okay.
Right? So if you are going for ISO 27001 compliance, log management is an important feature to have. So this kind of solutions help you to fulfill those compliance and also to fulfill the auditing purposes as well.
Alright, Tibi, thanks for that. And say for instance, I'm an enterprise, okay. I have 1,000+ employees in my enterprise. So I'm installing Moradata to my infrastructure, which is LMS and log manager and ITSM. Do I need to purchase hardware separately for this? Moradata includes certain hardware appliances for these solutions.
So very good question, Azhar. So these are the normal questions that we normally get from all the customers that we meet daily. So the hardware cost is an important factor in every organization nowadays. So this kind of solution can be hosted on cloud as well. So we don't prefer we don't prefer that every solution should be installed in the hardware. So these kind of solutions give the opportunity to the customer to choose their own way. If the customer is planning to host it in the cloud, obviously they can do it. Or else if the customer is looking for a VM environment, Moradata support VM environment as well. Or if a customer is okay to go with your hardware, we support the bare metal installation as well. So all three options are available from Moradata. So the customer can independently choose the methodology that they need.
So it's very agile and very cost-effective solutions to have in our infrastructure. Okay.
Exactly, yes, sir. So since you started about the cost-effective solution, so since this, we know it's a cost-effective solution, so a little bit if you can explain about the licensing model that we have, it would be great for the audience to get a basic idea on the licensing of Moradata.
Licensing part is basically, if I may say, licensing part start with a perpetual license scheme, and also the other scheme that we have is subscription model. So we have both subscription and perpetual. Unlike other vendors, we don't take all over your IT budget. It's a very cost-effective solution, and you will definitely have your value for money.
Yeah, one more point to add on that, Asa. So when we talk about the licensing, so our licensing is something like when we take the network monitoring system, we charge only for the devices that you are going to integrate, not for the all infrastructure devices that you have inside the organization. Only the devices that we are going to monitor will be counted inside the license. And even when it comes for log management solution, you don't need to purchase a high-end license. So let's assume the licensing for the log management goes for number of GB per day, so gigabytes per day. So let's assume you are purchasing 10 GB per day license. So first 10 GB will be processed on the first day, and the remaining data will be processed on the next day. So you are not going to lose your data. So the data is going to be processed, however, but it's based on the license that you are going to purchase.
Absolutely, makes sense. And moving on to setting up a demonstration. But if a viewer or a partner or a customer comes up and say, TV or Asa, what if we run a demonstration? How do we do that? Do we need to have a separate license for that, or separate appliances? Again, the same question in different way.
Yeah. So this was something like this also. So as a value-added distributor in Sri Lanka, we provide some of the services in free of charge. So we give the pre-sale support, post-sale support, and the implementation support to the partners in free of charge, and we run the support services for 24/7, 365 days we run the support services. And when it comes to the demo system, we have our demo environment inside the office premises. So normally if anyone requests a demo, so we invite them to our office premises and we do the demo, and so until they get satisfied, so the technology features, each and every technology features will be explained line by line to all the partners and customers.
And trial version is also available in there.
Exactly, yes, sir. So you can download the trial version from the Motadata website. So you can find the Motadata website link on the below the video. So you can go to their website and you can download the trial version, or else you can contact us so that we can provide the trial as well. So trial will be available for 30 days. You can test it out. So if you have any queries during the testing, you can contact us immediately. So we will be there to sort it out. So we have a separate support team for that as well. So we can help it out.
Yeah, we are geared, to run a demonstration or a POC within our environment or rather in a customer's environment. Let us know. We will set up the demonstration for you. We'll wait and see how the POC works. And like Tibi said, we have a certified engineers and qualified engineers in our backend team. So they are love to help you.
Yes, so please reach us for any queries regarding the Motadata. It can be any product portfolio, we will be there to help. So please reach us, Azza or myself, we will be there to help.
You will see my contact information on the screen and also TB's information. Just write us or just ring us. Thank you.